Months of scattered learning about numerology, still not confident giving a reading? This course fixes everything that you have been missing. In 90 minutes, a full chart, 20 calculations, not a Google search at all, traditional schools, weeks, and thousands of rupees that you spend. But this 90 minutes you get everything. The 90-minute numerologist, 10 focused videos, 1 hour and 30 minutes start to finish. By the end, you could run a full professional consultation. This is not a life path number you looked up on Google. It's a full chart, 20 calculations synthesized into reading that makes people ask, how did you know that? Compare that to a traditional numerology school. 4 to 8 weeks, 40 to 60,000 rupees, and weeks of history before you touch a single formula. Or the classic 20-hour Udemy course, the same 10 calculations I teach stretched across 20 hours. Nothing wrong. These are also important, but this course is different. I promise something different in this course. 93% of people abandon those long courses before they finish. And you know why? By hour 6, they still have not read a single chart. This is different. This course that I am talking about, 90 minutes numerologist, is different. Here is what makes this course genuinely rare. You could check every calculation live on aurayog.com as I teach it. I show you the manual method. You follow along, then we open together the calculator and the numbers match. You are not memorizing, you are building a skill that holds up under pressure. You won't find purpose-built professional calculators paired with real instruction on Udemy, Skillshare, or YouTube. That's not a marketing line, it's just the truth I'm telling you. We go deep. Life path, name numbers, the core profile, then pinnacles, personal year, dasha, timing system, the Loshu grid, then the Chaldean system and name correction. Honestly, the most commercially valuable skills in this field is very important, the name correction. And in the final video, you run a complete consultation, start to finish. By the end of the course, you have built a full chart on a real person, step by step, video by video. You don't just know numerology, you could use it immediately after this 90 minutes numerologist course. Here is what I could tell you with certainty. The part most courses skip. Knowing numerology and using it are two different things. You could finish a course, understand every formula, and still freeze in front of an actual person. Calculation is a skill. A consultation needs tools, clarity, and confidence all at once. So we did not just build a course, we built everything around it. The Loshu grid, the Chaldean pyramid, the pinnacle timings, the core profile, the full report into polished professional visuals. Not raw numbers you have to format yourself. Not a spreadsheet you have to explain. Client-ready images that do the heavy lifting for you. So you could focus on the actual reading and helping the client or your loved ones find their purpose through numerology quickly possible. We build that because the gap between a student who learned numerology and a practitioner who earns from it, it's almost never knowledge, it's equipment. Enroll and you get 7 days of full free access to every one of these tools on aurayog.com. Use them on real people, practice on friends and family, run 10 charts before your first paying client. You will also receive the Eternal Light Foundation Level Numerology Practitioner Certificate and long-term access to revisit any lesson anytime. The launch price is just Rs 999. That won't last forever. Life path to full consultation. One complete system. You don't just know numerology, you use it practically for every lesson that you learn. Certificate included, and Rs 999 is the launch price. Won't last for long. 90 minutes only. The whole system. Let's go.